You're spending thousands, maybe millions, on AI tools. You've got chatbots, automated email sequences, smart CRMs, and predictive analytics dashboards. But your results? Still average. Or worse, completely off. Here's the cold, hard truth. It's not the AI that's broken. It's your data. And if you keep ignoring it, you're not just falling behind, you're actively sabotaging your competitive edge. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked killers of business growth in the AI era: bad data. By the end of this video, you'll know 1. Why ignoring data is killing your AI edge. 2. The dangerous myths businesses believe about data and AI. 3. The hidden cost of poor data hygiene. 4. Real-world case studies from companies losing and winning. 5. A complete 5-step action plan to fix your data problem. 6. And how to finally unleash the full power of your AI stack. If you're serious about using AI to scale your business, this is the video that separates the hype from the hard truth. The great AI illusion. We live in a time where every company claims to be AI powered. Just go on LinkedIn. You'll see founders, CMOs, CTOs all celebrating their latest AI integration. They show off. 1. ChatGPT APIs in their customer service. 2. AI-generated blog posts and social content. 3. Automated dashboards that predict next quarter's revenue. 4. AI-enhanced lead scoring in their CRMs. Looks impressive. It sounds cutting edge. But behind the scenes? Their data is a mess. Customer records are incomplete. Campaign data is outdated. Sales notes are missing. Website events aren't tracked properly. Data is siloed between platforms. So all this fancy AI? It's running on broken inputs. It's the equivalent of putting rocket fuel into a car with no tires, a missing engine, and a cracked windshield. It doesn't matter how powerful the fuel is, you're not going anywhere. Why data is the real competitive advantage? Let's get one thing straight. AI is not magic. AI is math, probability, learning from patterns in your data. So if your data is 1. Incomplete. 2. Outdated. 3. Inaccurate. 4. Unstructured. Then the intelligence you're building is fundamentally flawed. What makes companies like Amazon, Netflix, or Spotify dominate isn't just their AI models, it's their obsession with clean, real-time, rich, and integrated data. Amazon knows what you browse, what you buy, what you add to cart but don't check out, what others like you purchased, and when you're most likely to shop. That's not just AI, that's data discipline. They've built a culture around data quality, not just data quantity. Most businesses? They skip this step entirely. They assume more data equals better results. But here's the truth. More bad data just creates more bad decisions, faster. 7 signs your data is killing your AI edge. So how do you know if your data is the problem? Here are 7 signs. Emails feel generic. Product recommendations don't make sense. Customers feel misunderstood. You're spending more but converting less, because your targeting is based on poor segmentation. Your AI models are wrong more than they're right. Why? Bad historical data. Because it's filled with duplicate contacts, incomplete fields, and outdated notes. Siloed platforms mean siloed data, and AI can't bridge what you don't integrate. If your gut overrides your data, it's a trust issue, and that's a data problem. Because you're storing personal data without structure, without consent trails, or without retention rules. If any of these sound familiar, your data is not just holding you back, it's a business liability. Real-world case studies. Let's talk real examples. Case number 1, the e-commerce brand that burned $1.2 million in ads. A fast-scaling fashion brand was spending $100K/month on Meta and Google Ads. They used an AI ad optimization tool. But conversions started dropping. Turns out, 70% of their product data was inconsistent. Some SKUs had outdated descriptions. Some were missing meta fields. Others were tagged incorrectly. AI couldn't optimize because the foundation was broken. Once they cleaned their catalog and unified product tagging, ROAS improved by 43% in 30 days. Case number 2, the SaaS startup that couldn't forecast. This B2B SaaS tool used AI to predict churn. But their model was wildly inaccurate. Why? They only tracked login frequency, not deeper engagement signals. Worse, half their data was in an old data warehouse, untouched in 9 months. After centralizing their data and redefining engagement metrics, they rebuilt their model. Churn prediction accuracy jumped from 52% to 89%. Case number 3, the agency that lost clients due to bad attribution. An award-winning marketing agency was losing big accounts because their reports were always off. Why? Their tracking pixels were outdated. UTM parameters were inconsistent. Their AI attribution tool couldn't correctly assign credit. They paused everything, rebuilt tracking, standardized campaign tagging, and now they can confidently show ROI. These stories aren't rare. They're the norm, unless you fix your data. The real cost of ignoring data. Let's talk dollars and cents. 1. Dirty data costs businesses an estimated $12.9 million annually on average, Gartner. 2. 84% of CMOs say data quality is the biggest barrier to ROI for marketing AI tools, CMO Council. 3. 76% of AI project failures are due to data readiness issues, not the model itself, McKinsey. It's not just inefficiency. It's 1. Lost customers. 2. Wasted spend. 3. Failed AI initiatives. 4. Damaged brand trust. 5. Compliance fines. Ignoring your data is like buying a Ferrari and pouring sand into the gas tank. How to fix it, the 5-part framework. Let's fix the problem. Here's a step-by-step roadmap you can implement starting today. Step 1. Audit your data ecosystem. Map every data source. 1. CRM. 2. Ad platforms. 3. Website. 4. Email tools. 5. Customer support. Identify what's synced and what's siloed. Spot duplicates, missing fields, outdated entries. Step 2. Assign data ownership. Every dataset must have an owner. No more, that's IT's problem. 1. Marketing owns campaign data. 2. Sales owns contact data. 3. Ops owns systems integration. If no one owns it, it doesn't improve. Step 3. Clean and enrich. Use tools like 1. Segment. 2. Clearbit. 3. Fivetran. 4. DBT. 5. Census. Clean your fields, remove duplicates, enrich missing attributes, and set validation rules. Step 4. Build a unified customer profile, UCP. Bring together all data points, behavior, transactions, support history, into one 360 degrees profile. This fuels real personalization and smarter automation. Step 5. Implement real-time sync and monitoring. Use ETL pipelines, reverse ETL, and data observability tools. Monitor anomalies. Create alerts. Automate corrections. The future belongs to data-first companies. Let's be honest, AI is no longer the competitive advantage. Everyone has access to the same models now. ChatGPT, Claude, Bard, Midjourney, AutoML. They're all democratized. The only true edge is the data you own and how well you use it. If your competitors have better data. 1. Their AI will write better emails. 2. Their targeting will be sharper. 3. Their sales forecasts will be more accurate. 4. Their customer experiences will feel more magical. Data is the new growth engine. Not just more data, but better data. Actionable data. Connected data. That's what separates the leaders from the losers in the age of AI. If you've been blaming your tools, your ad platforms, or your AI performance, stop. Look at your data first. Ask. 1. Is it clean? 2. Is it unified? 3. Is it real-time? 4. Is it actually fueling decisions? If not, start there. Because ignoring your data isn't just a tech problem, it's a business risk. And in 2025 and beyond, it's the fastest way to lose your AI edge. So, white checkmark emoji, like this video if you're ready to fix your data. White checkmark emoji, share it with a team that needs to hear this. White checkmark emoji, subscribe to Grow with Technology for more no BS insights on AI, automation, and data strategy. Until next time, stop ignoring your data. Your AI is only as good as what it learns from.